Hello, and welcome to the Sara Alert user training. This training is divided into various learning modules for users of Sara Alert and can be viewed separately as required for your specific learning needs. This module is on the topic of resources and user role overview. This Sara Alert module covers the following topics: Sara Alert resources, Sara Alert Help Desk, and overview of Sara Alert user roles. The remaining training modules included in this series cover enrolling monitorees, monitoree daily reports, managing line lists, monitoree search, transferring monitorees, exporting records, and user management. This training module is relevant for all users of Sara Alert. We have a number of resources we provide to users of the system that enhance learning and keep users up to date on new changes in the system. All of these resources can be found on the Sara Alert website at saraalert.org/publichealth. The full user guide is updated with every new release, approximately every 2 weeks, to reflect changes to new features in the system. There is also a user guide specific to enroller functionality and one for administrators detailing user management functions. There are quick start guides available on a variety of topics and user roles. We have a data dictionary that details the fields or variable names, definitions, and attributes about data elements that are being used in the software database. The most current release notes are available with each new release that detail new features and enhancements to the software and specific page numbers in the user guide where that new information can be located. In addition to these online training modules, we offer training video tutorials on a variety of topics. Also on our webpage, you'll find FAQs and other resources such as fact sheets and information about the Sara Alert user forum. The Sara Alert user forum is an online community. Its purpose is to engage and support public health professionals using Sara Alert. This is a great way to learn from others and share expertise, ideas, and experiences using the Sara Alert. In addition to our webpage, you can find links to our user guide, user forum, and contact page in the upper right-hand corner of your screen in Sara Alert and click on the question mark. For Sara Alert Help, we have a help desk as a central point for inquiries and problem resolution. Support activities might include monitoring the help desk queues, providing Sara Alert training and support materials, requests for demonstrations, and escalation of issues to appropriate Sara Alert personnel. Finally, the help desk provides notification of new or improved feature requests to MITRE development staff. For all submitted issues, an automated response and ticket number is generated, and you'll be notified. An agent will then be assigned to support the ticket. The support desk can be reached at saraalert/contact or email sarasupport@aimsplatform.com. For help logging into Sara Alert, such as assistance with password and two-factor authentication resets, contact your jurisdiction's administrator before submitting a help desk request. As previously mentioned, help can be found within Sara Alert in the top right corner of your screen by clicking on the question mark. Before viewing the remaining modules, I want to quickly give you a primer on the different Sara Alert user types or roles. The main user types are the enroller, public health user, the public health enroller, contact tracer, analyst, administrator, and the super user role, who is characterized as a trusted user who can perform all the capabilities of the various roles. This table is available in the Administrator Quick Start Guide, and a more detailed description of each role is in the user guide. We also have quick start guides available for each of these roles. For the purpose of this training, you'll notice that in addition to the super user, who I mentioned can perform all the capabilities, The enroller, public health enroller, and contact tracer share capabilities to add new enrollees into the system, as well as to view and modify those record details. So throughout the training modules, you may hear us use the more generic term enrollers, which includes all the roles that are capable of these functions. Additionally, on this table, you'll note the public health enroller, and contact tracer share many of the same capabilities. So you may hear us refer to these as the public health roles. Also note that the public health enroller role is a combination of the public health role, enroller, and contact tracer capabilities, and these users are responsible for managing and monitoring the dashboards. We also have roles for analysts, which can only view aggregated level data in the system, and administrators, who control the management of users. So you can see here on this table, the administrator role is where you can view the list and modify the users in your jurisdiction if you are assigned to that role. Depending on your assigned system role, you will be taken to a different home screen. Enrollers can see the enrollment dashboard. Public health enroller, contact tracer, or super user can see monitoring dashboards. An analyst can see the analytics summary. An administrator can view the admin panel. Your username and user role are listed in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Your assigned jurisdiction is also listed in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Keep in mind that your record view is restricted to what you have access to based on your jurisdiction access and assigned role. Please refer to the role overview of the user guide for more detail. That concludes this Sara Alert tutorial. For additional information, please visit the Sara Alert website at saraalert.org or contact Sara Support at aimsplatform.com with further questions.